World of wearable technology. Zenso S-Ring, a revolutionary smart ring that has over 6 accessories packed into one sleek ring that stays wrapped around your finger. With the S-Ring, you can answer phone calls without having to pull out your mobile from your pocket, or even when your phone is at some distance, and keep your conversations private without others overhearing you. Reduce external noise and enjoy crystal clear conversation even in a crowded place.
Hello? Yeah, reached.
It comes with a built-in earpiece, microphones, ultra-low power microcontroller, and numerous state-of-the-art technologies. Zenso stores your confidential files. Unlock the files by using the Touch ID on your mobile phone or the passcode even when you are away from it, and safely share and retrieve files.
You'll find many advantages from our Mi Mini PC. You can carry Mi comfortably in your handbag or pocket without experiencing any back pain. Our Mi Mini PC is ideal for traveling, shopping, fast note-taking, presentations, and complete RAM, and the internal storage is a 128GB SSD. Even though you're doing a lot of things, it's still smooth. This is a touchscreen. It has an HD resolution of 1280 by 720 pixels, letting you interact quickly when you're on the go. Alright, let me play a video to check out the sound quality and functionality performance. Of course, you may think you have smartphones, but this has a larger display. Sometimes, if I get an urgent project, I can continue and finish my work while I'm in transit. I'll open a Word document to type something now. Here you'll see audio output, HDMI, 2 USB slots, Gigabit Ethernet, DC 5V input. On this side, USB-C, 2 more USB ports, one of which is USB 3.0, and a TF card slot. Inside is the dual band Wi-Fi antenna, and on the front, stereo speakers and the home button. It comes with a stylish stand cover and keyboard, and 2 extra pockets, so you can take your keyboard or mini PC with you individually. With the Mi Mini PC, you can replace a tablet and a laptop with a single device that fits right in your